Cultures here. Just wanted to show you how we put our full flush kit together. So our full flush kit comes with one of our 5-pound pre-pasteurized Denver Dirts. Comes with a 3-pound sterilized corn bag with injection port. We also give you your sanitation pack that comes with your liner. We have your filters, we have a glove, mask, basically everything that you will need to grow a couple batches of mushrooms. We also give you a spray bottle. So yeah, and then with the kit we also give you one of our house cultures, and we're going to show you how we put all this stuff together today. So let me get my sanitation pack out real quick and kind of show you what's in here. So we're going to have our black liner, and then we're going to have our filter patches that we're going to use later on. So you're not going to need these right now, but we will show you in one of our following videos how we put these guys on and how it fruits all together. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to put on my gloves real quick. Alright, take my needle or syringe, take our needle and put it together. So, open that guy up, take that out, get our little culture. Syringe ready. I'm going to take a little bit of some isopropyl alcohol. You're going to want to clean your port very well. So, do that. Take our syringe. Insert. Pull out just a little bit, and then inject all that solution into your corn bag. Pull that needle out. I want to respray just to make sure there's no hitchhikers. Take that, get rid of that guy. So this guy's all ready. You're gonna want to shake it all up, get all that moisture all over your corn, and then find a nice dark spot and put that guy in there for anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks. After that, it should look like this. So fully white, ready to use. So once it's to this stage, we're definitely going to want to put on our mask. So we'll put our mask on. Take our bag, set it over here. Denver Dirt. So, take our tub, take the lid off. We take a Lysol wipe. Basically just going to wipe the inside very well. Now if you can, definitely use some soap and water. If you have like a sink that's available or anything like that. But Lysol wipes work perfectly fine. Okay, so we'll get that guy nice and wiped off. Nice and clean. And we're going to do the same thing with our lid here. Alright, let's get nice and wiped really well. Okay. Alright, now we're going to take everything, put it back together. Take our trash bag, we're going to unfold it. Take our tank, pop that out one more time. Just like that, to kind of get it evenly on your full flush. And what you do is you're just going to want to press it in just like that. So, a lot of time your trash bag wants to kind of fall in on you. It should stick with the Lysol that we put in there. Alright. Now what we're going to do is take our isopropyl again. Kind of just spray in there to make sure that our garbage bag is nice and clean. Okay. Spray a little bit. Put that lid back on real quick. And while that's getting ready, we're going to get our Denver Dirt ready. Again, we're going to take our isopropyl, we'll spray it very well. Let that there to dry. We're also going to take our ski bum. Spray this guy very well, so when we cut her open, everything's going to be fine. Break it up really well. Okay, taking our Denver dirt. Cut that guy open. Get it cracked on that side a little bit. Open it up. Take our spawn bag now. So what I like to do is I'd like to kind of cut up a little bit like this so I got a spout. Just like that. Okay. Okay, take that mixture. Well, it's a little packed, but you can kind of get it nice and mixed inside your tank there. Okay. All right, I got that. The next step is we're going to want to seal our holes here with some type of tape. You can use anything like packing tape, or you can use some Scotch tape. So I'm going to use box tape today. Basically just going to put these on each of our holes. That's going to close off all the CO2. That's going to help our mycelium grow very fast. Do that on all the holes here, even your big guy back here, and even your side ones where you could probably get both of them at the same time. All right. Now with all those guys sealed, set all this stuff over here, clean up a little bit. We're going to take our mixture of our spawn, Denver dirt, and we're going to put it into our full flush kit here. So, all right. So after you've cut it down below the holes, you're going to want to take your lid, attach it back to your full flush tank. Take your gloves off. Throw those guys in your trash can. Now, take your mask off as well. Welcome back. Get a little bit of some moist water, and then we're basically just going to mist the top very well. Now, the same place that you put that colonized corn bag, you're going to want to put your full flush tank. So go put this guy up there for 7 to 10 days until it's 80% white and 20% kind of dirt that you can see through there. After that, we're going to bring it to our fruiting stage. Appreciate you coming in and checking out how we put this thing together.